Hello event and meeting people, welcome to Rox Event Staff's YouTube channel. I'm Federica and in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to succeed at events in 10 simple steps. Before starting, if you will enjoy the content of this video, please let us know, giving us a like and share your experience with us and everyone who's watching this video by letting us know your experience when attending or exhibiting events in the comments below. And finally, if you want to stay up to date with event industry's news, top tips about events, please subscribe to our channel. We have plenty of other videos coming up weekly. When exhibiting at a trade show or attending an event, you need to have a clear plan on what outcome you are aiming to. To succeed at events, you may want to ask yourself questions like, what do you expect from an exhibition? Or what can a trade show give you? What are your competitors planning to do? And what strategies can you use to make the event the most successful for your company? Or how to stand out from the crowd at a trade show? How will you follow up once the expo finishes? I know these may sound like lots of questions. These are just a few examples of what you should consider before attending an event, especially if you're not experienced at it. What questions do you ask yourself when attending an event? Please let us know in the comments below. In this video, my team and I thought of giving you some suggestions we find useful on how to make the most of events, such as exhibitions, trade shows, conferences, and other corporate events. Here is our first suggestion to succeed at events. Define your goals. It could sound too simple, but this is as vital as any further step ahead. Your intentions have to be clear, and you have to share them with your team. Your event goals could be increased revenue, brand awareness, data capture, new business partners such as wholesalers, suppliers, or even investors, why not? Remember, your goal needs to be SMART, specific, measurable, accessible, relevant, and timed. Second suggestion, define your budget. This is based on your goals. You need to consider all factors as the event price is not just that of the exhibition stand or event ticket itself. You should take into consideration the cost of attendance, build-up products shipping, personnel's overnight stay, and any marketing costs to sponsor your presence at the show with online and offline marketing tools. Our third suggestion is choose the right team. Once you decided your goals and budget, it is essential to involve the right people and create an action plan where it clearly states each one's roles, responsibility, and timings for the whole team. For example, if you're attending an international show, does your team speak the right languages? You may need to hire someone like a multilingual hostess to invite international visitors to your stand and help them if the core team is busy, or even a brand ambassador for leaflets, experienced, friendly data capture, and sales staff for those French and Italian only speaking clients. That way you won't lose any potential sale. These external professionals can be hired through an event staffing agency. There are lots of agencies out there, and the most professional ones hire only experienced staff that does events for a living. This characteristic means you want to make sure you hire event staff that took part in thousands of meetings and corporate events, and probably participated in your industry's expo once or twice already. When briefed about your company, event staff can temporarily be part of it and help you create a successful outcome of the show. Suggestion number 4, marketing and communication plan. To support your attendance at the event, you will need a communication plan defining and describing each goal, its activities and deadlines. Communication at the event is not just up to the event team. It is in fact essential to prepare in advance with care using the right tools like posters, signs, or even brochures, catalogs, price lists, videos and multimedia, promotional articles like corporate and business gifts or branded clothing, and even gadgets or business cards, and also PowerPoint and keynote design. Number 6, stand image. If you are exhibiting at a trade show, your main goal is that of capturing visitors' attention, making them curious. If your stand is not extremely visible, all your communication plans will be useless. Create a stand with a specific theme with a right balance between originality and quality, using the emotional factors that the right graphic design and words can play. It could also mean choosing the correct uniform for the event based on your product and service style. Ask yourself questions like, what are visitors expecting to see at the show? Are potential clients more interested in innovation or tradition? Number 7, let everyone know. Let your contacts know your presence at the event using, for example, press release, blog posting, social media, newsletters, and before attending the exhibition, you can enrich your chosen communication tool with the event logo or your marketing strategies. These choices will highlight your brand and people will know you will attend the event. Our suggestion number 8, create a memorable experience. Try to engage with people, inviting them to visit your stand if exhibiting at a trade show, organizing all kinds of entertainment activities like contests, presentations, workshops, or product demonstrations. These are just few examples of what you could do to be noticed among the other hundreds, if not thousands, of exhibitors. You need to be creative, dynamic, and engaging to distinguish yourself. If you're not experienced in events, consider temporarily hiring a professional that can join your core team during the event and help you have a successful outcome. If you're not sure how to calculate how many event staffers you should hire, we dedicated a video about this, which is called How to Hire Event Staff Like a Pro. Suggestion number 9, we're almost there. Organize the stand space. Your stand or booth, for our US friends, needs to be welcoming, easy to access to, spacious enough to meet your clients. It is also beneficial to create a checklist of what you need. Just a few examples: paper sheets, pens, brochures, gadgets, maybe you want to bring notebooks, a computer and other devices with their accessories, cleaning products for that extra sparkle. And finally, number 10, maximize social impact. Social media represents a big part of event planning, and they are a significant opportunity to take advantage of. Every company that knows how to use the power of social media can, of course, increase their revenue, but can especially build up a dialogue with their clients and create new leads, which means new potential buyers. That allows you not just to reach more clients at once, but even abroad, contacting and virtually meeting them before setting a face-to-face appointment. Hashtags are another valuable tool for social media, about which we dedicated another whole video a few days ago, so feel free to go and check it in our YouTube channel. There are many different scenarios at trade shows, depending on the industry, on the event itself, and your company and PR skills. Attending an event or an exhibition sure is an investment, and if you set your strategy the right way, it's the best marketing plan to increase your revenue and ROI. It is very different from the office environment and can be very tiring if you're not used to it. So why risk it? Get external help from event experts. However, make sure you select professional suppliers. Check who they work with, their reviews, and don't go for the cheapest one. Again, we dedicate another video about this too. We all know cheap does not correspond to quality for any sector. If you do, that might result in actually losing money, and you will pay for an unprofessional service, and that will make you look unprofessional as well to the eyes of your clients. So imagine someone looking bored, with poor communication skills and inexperienced. That's what you get for a lower price. Surely nobody wants that. So what's your experience at events? I would love to know. Please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like, and if you found it useful, please share it. I'm sure that if you find it useful, other event professionals and event attendees may find it useful too. And finally, if you're hungry for more, subscribe to our channel. We have many other videos coming up. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.